Okay, so I just wanted to make a part 3 of the Hatsan Edge trigger mod. We'll start right here. Let's see. There we go, add some light. As you see, this longer trigger screw has a bigger head on there and it pushes the return spring over. You could use a smaller head one. I ground this down. I know this does go down past this and the spring comes over. It really won't affect too much, but just to let you know that. And this trigger spring, if you want a lighter trigger spring, as long as the sear comes back with a lighter spring, you need to replace this. Otherwise, you're still going to have a pretty heavy 4 or 5 pound pull on this. I will change this over. I think I have some at work, like I mentioned in I think the first video. And if you really want to get, which I sometimes do, right here on top, this is, just to mention, this gun is cocked right at the moment. There is no pellet in it, and you can see the safety is on. If it's going to go off, I hate dry firing a gun. If it's going to go off, it's going to be without a pellet in it. That's unlocked, safety off, safety on. I'm leaving the safety on, just a demonstration, no pellet. Always be careful, please. Drill like a 6/32 hole. My phone's not coming in too clear. Right in here, like the Crossman, I believe. And you can adjust. Safety is on. You can take out a lot of that pull by doing that, depending on how you shoot, how you want your gun. Just remember, if you do this, obviously this will be off the gun in a vise. Drill it, clean, deburr it, make sure there's no burrs, which I just did to this one. I put it in a drill. It was already shaped, not to a point, but to a round, and I put it in the drill. I used some 1500 paper. I just held the drill and got it mirror smooth. Nice round edge. The first sear up here is already like a mirror, so that will have no scraping effect, and it will just slightly rub against there, glass on glass. That's what you want, nice and smooth. But you can take out this longer stage if you want. And to reduce the pressure, because it's at least 4 to 6 pounds of pressure now with this spring, and I'm going to see if I can find a longer, lighter spring to put in here. As long as the sear is pulled back, that's no issue. But I just thought I'd mention that in this part 3 of the Hatsan trigger. Just giving options and any ways to improve this already great gun that I do love. So there's part 3, and hope you watch some of my other videos, and I'll be making more.